How to factory reset Windows 11 without logging in. First, on the signing in screen, click on the power icon in the bottom right corner. While holding the Shift key, click on Restart. Your PC will restart and boot into the Windows recovery environment. Select Troubleshoot from the options. Click on Reset this PC. Then choose Remove Everything. This will perform a factory reset, deleting all your files and apps. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. Choose Cloud Download to download the latest version of Windows 11, or Local Reinstall to use the file already on your PC. Next, you will be asked how you want to reset Windows. Choose Fully Clean the drive. You'll see a summary of what will happen during the reset. Click Reset to start the process. Your PC will restart and begin the reset process. This can take some time, so be patient. Once the reset is complete, your PC will restart and guide you through the initial setup process, just like when you first bought it. And that's how you can factory reset Windows 11 without logging in. Thanks for watching.